Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Okay. Welcome to the new online classes. Take out your worksheet pad, open science portion. Okay. And take out your first page is elements and their symbols. Come to the page where is elements and their symbol. Before we start elements and their symbol, you know very well what is elements. All metals are made up of elements. Scientists use the elements names with the shortest name which is denoted by symbol. Okay. Now left hand sides are the elements name and the right hand sides are the elements symbol. Okay. First is elements name are hydrogen, and what is the symbol of hydrogen is capital H. We denoted hydrogen with capital H. Second is helium. The symbol of helium is He. Third, lithium. The symbol of lithium is Li. Fourth, iron. The symbol of iron is Fe. We denoted iron with Fe. Okay. Now fifth is boron. The symbol of boron is B. Carbon C. Nitrogen N. Oxygen O. Fluorine F. And chlorine Cl. Now come to the practice worksheet. Match the elements with their symbol. You have to match the correct elements name with their correct symbol. Okay, first is hydrogen. Hydrogen match with the capital H. Helium will match with the capital He. So these are the elements name and the symbol. You have to do it in your worksheet pad. Next page is element symbol. Write the element name of the following symbol. You have to give it the element symbol. You have to write the elements name of the given symbols. First is He. What is the element name of He is helium. Second is Li. What is the element name of Li is lithium. Third is H. What is the element name of H is hydrogen. So you have to do it further by yourself. Now next question is write the symbol of the following elements. You have to write the element symbols with their elements name. Elements name are given to you. You have to write the element symbol. First is lithium. The symbol of lithium is Li. Second is helium. The symbol of helium is He. Third is hydrogen. The symbol of hydrogen is capital H. So you have to do it further by yourself. You have to learn elements name as well as element symbol. So do it in your practice worksheet. This is your practice worksheet and do it by yourself and do it in worksheet pad. Okay. Now come to the next page is spotting. What is before we start spotting, we will know about what is spotting. Spotting means to observe and identify them and write their importance, feature and characteristic. Okay, first spot number one is, what is a spot number one? Spot number one is a cactus. Cactus is a desert plant. It has a stem that can store water. It has a prickly spines. In cactus there is a prickly spine. Spines means कांटे. ठीक है? Instead of leaves. Third is, fourth is it has wide spread root that can collect water, and fifth is the spines protect it from animals. Now what is a spot number two? Spot number two is Venus flytrap, and the characteristic is it is a carnivorous plant. It is a carnivore. Why it is called a carnivorous plant? Because it eats the insects. Okay, it traps the insects, butterfly, frogs. Okay. Now it is a carnivorous plant. Its leaves are like boxes with hinges. What is the meaning of hinges? Hinges mean flexible joint. It has a flexible joint. It has sensitive hair on the edges of the leaf. You have to look at the spot number two picture. You have to look carefully that it has a sensitive hair. Picture में दिख रहा है कि इसके sensitive hair है and edges इसके leaf पे, edges of the leaf पे भी hairs है. Now number 40, it traps the insects, spider and tiny frog. That's why it's called a carnivorous plant. Now come to the spot number 3. Spot number 3 is picture plant. And what are the characteristics? It is also a carnivorous plant because it is also traps the insects. Okay. It has picture shaped leaf. What is the meaning of picture? An open vessel with a handle or with a lid. Okay. It is just like a container. Okay. It leaf has a lid to form a passive pitfall trap. It means कि जब भी कोई इंसेक्ट इस पर आता है क्या होता है, इसका जो लिड है वो खुल जाता है and then the insect inside out and the lid is closed. Number 4, it grows in nitrogen poor soil and it catches insects and other small animals. Now last spot is spot number 4 is cobra lily plant. Now what is the characteristic? It is also a carnivorous plant. It is a vascular plant. Vascular means veins plant. Okay. Third is it look like a frog tongue. Look at the picture of spot number 4. You have to see it that it was a frog tongue. मतलब जैसे कि स्नेक की टंग नहीं होती, डोज आगे से निकली हुई, इज फॉर अ फ्रॉग टंग एंड द हेड ऑफ अ कोबरा स्नेक एंड इट लुक्स लाइक अ कोबरा स्नेक हेड. And fourth, it grows in nutrient poor boggy areas. What is the meaning of boggy? Boggy means soft and watery or muddy places. Okay, it grows in muddy places. Now come to the next page. Next page is a spotting practice worksheet. You have to learn all these 4 spotting, okay, and do it in your worksheet pad. And this is your practice worksheet. You have to do it in a practice worksheet. Spotting worksheet are giving to you in a blank form. You have to fill with the blanks. Okay, you have to fill with the correct blanks. First, spot number 1 is identification. What is it? It is a cactus, and cactus is a desert plant like this. You have to fill it like this. Spot number 2 is what is identification of spot number 2 is. What is a spot number 2? Spot number 2 is picture plant. It is a carnivorous plant. Third, what is the identification of third plant is, and what is spot number 4? What is the identification of fourth plant is cobra lily plant. It is also a carnivorous plant. So you have to do it by yourself and learn it carefully and learn it by your hand and do it in your practice worksheet pad. Okay. Next your worksheet is lab equipments. Before we further to the lab equipments, we will know what are the lab equipments. Lab equipments are usually used in a laboratory, and why we are using, we use for the calculation, measurement and balance the chemicals or elements. Okay, first is thermometer, second is test tube, third is tongs, fourth is beaker, fifth is forceps, sixth is funnel, 7 is dropper, 8 is sprit lamp, and 9 is petri dish, and 10 is iron stand. You have to learn these lab equipments, and this next page is a practice worksheet. You have to learn all the lab equipments and do it in your practice worksheet. Okay, I hope you will all understand it. I hope you will all understand your worksheet and do it in your practice worksheet and do it by yourself. Okay, and learn it carefully. Learn it carefully. Okay, thank you students. Have a nice day.